Hi everyone, welcome to video number 3 in the Sentral How-To series. In this video I'm going to go into a little bit more detail about how to find assessment and reporting information or learning information about each of your children. So in the first video we covered how to log on. In the second video we looked at where to find additional information, and that's where we're going to pick up. So I'm going to click on Grace's photo, go up to the main menu, and we're going to focus our attention on reporting, assessments and school records. So I'm going to jump into reporting to start with. When I go into reporting, the first thing you can see is up the top we've got self-assessment, academic results, teacher comments and published reports. Published reports, if I click on that, is where you'll find the archive of your child's reports. So we've uploaded all the reports from 2013. We do have all of the ones prior to that if you require a copy, but we thought that a couple of years would be a good start. Any new reports that are written, so the 2015 Semester 1 report will appear in this list as soon as it's published. Teacher comments are exactly as it sounds. That's where teachers can go in and they can write a comment about a child at any time throughout the year, and that will appear in this section. Academic results, you'll notice that a lot of this is empty. I've cleared a lot of it out for this video. Academic results will show you school-based results, so pre and post testing and other student learning results will appear here as we go along. And student self-assessment is where the kids actually will get an opportunity to make an assessment of their learning and write a reflection, that will appear there. The next section I'm going to jump into is school records. So this is where you will find more specific, more detailed information about your child's learning. So for every curriculum area, there is one of these trackers. So for languages or Indonesian, you can see that there's two different aspects that we report against. And for Grace, the dark green indicates that she has achieved that level. So if we go up, F means the end of foundation, 1 is the end of grade 1, 2 is the end of grade 2, 4 is the end of grade 4. So if we look at Grace, Grace is in year 5. So at the moment, she has achieved at the end of grade 4. She's currently working on midway through grade 5. So she's achieved 2 out of the 4 skills, and this will turn dark green when she demonstrates those last 2 skills. There is one of these for reading, writing, maths, every curriculum area that we teach. And for a matter of privacy, I'm not going to scroll down and show you all of Grace's results, but this will give you an idea. If I click on this aspect, this is where I get more specific information about the skills. So here we are, 4.5. 2 of them are green, which means that they are achieved. 2 of them are black, which means they are not achieved, and the grey bar means that this progression point has not been marked as achieved. Now, something just to be aware of, if you log in and you notice that one of these boxes is yellow or orange, what that means is that there are some skills that have not been demonstrated. So let's just say, for example, this one has not been demonstrated, but the teacher has gone in and manually overridden the system and said, even though the child has not demonstrated every single skill at this level, they still are deserving of this progression point. Now that will happen in some cases. It might be that the child is very, very close to achieving that particular skill. It might be that they've demonstrated it but just not consistently. So that will just be a conversation with your child's teacher. You'll see at the top here we've also got NAPLAN and reading records. As we get further into using Sentral and learning about Sentral as a school, more and more information will begin to appear in this academic section.